In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Substack publication. Before we get started, keep in mind that deleting a publication is permanent. Once it's gone, you won't be able to recover your post, your layout, or your publication settings. So only follow through with this process if you're absolutely sure you no longer need that publication. If you just want to stop sending emails or hide content, consider pausing or unpublishing instead. But if you're certain, let's walk through the exact steps together. First, log into your Substack account using your usual credentials. When you're signed in, let's look to the left-hand side of the screen. You should see a navigation panel with different options related to your publication. In that left panel, find and click on the option labeled Dashboard. This takes you to the main control area for your publication, where you can see your posts, stats, and key settings. Once you're on the dashboard, stay focused on that same left-hand menu. Scroll through it until you find the Settings option, then click on it. This is where Substack keeps all of the configuration options related to your publication, including the controls for deleting it. Inside the settings page, scroll all the way down to the bottom. You'll notice a clearly marked section called Danger Zone. As the name suggests, everything here is serious and usually permanent. So read carefully before you click anything. In this danger zone area, you'll see an item labeled Delete Publication, and to its right, there will be a button with the same label. When you're ready, click the Delete Publication button. As soon as you do that, a pop-up will appear at the top of the screen. This pop-up will warn you that deleting your publication is a permanent action and cannot be undone. It will also ask you to confirm that you really want to proceed. To confirm, Substack will usually ask you to type in your publication's subdomain into a text field. This is an extra safety step to make sure you don't delete anything by accident. Carefully type your publication's subdomain exactly as requested in the field provided. Then click the confirmation button, often labeled OK or similar. After that, the pop-up will reload with a message letting you know that your publication is being deleted and that it may take a minute or two. At this point, there's nothing else you need to do. Just wait for the process to finish and your Substack publication will be removed.